It's called a lot of names, but right now, fluffy coffee is all the rage. We decided to give it a try as the kitchen trend to try today. Start with 2 tablespoons of instant coffee crystals. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of really hot water. This is the secret, so don't skip out on this. Grab your Good Cook whisk and start whisking. Here's what it looks like about 3 minutes in. It's starting to get creamy and a really light, beautiful mocha color. All right, about 7 minutes in, and check this out. This is like a soft meringue, but it smells like coffee. Milk. And then we just top it with the coffee. All right, time to stick a straw in there and sip.